Good morning, children. Hope all are safe at home. Children, last class we were studying about butterflies, which was not part of your textbook. I hope you got some general information anyway about butterflies, isn't it, children? Today we will begin the lessons from your textbook. Now we will begin with the first chapter, that is Pretty Blossoms. You have seen around beautiful and colorful flowers, isn't it, children? We will go through some of them in this chapter. Please, all of you, take your books. Have you seen this flower? It is daisy. It's a small flower with white petals and a yellow center that often grows in grass. It blooms each day before the sunrise. It is considered as a weed and it spreads quickly. Do you know, children, what is a weed? It's a wild plant growing where it is not wanted and in competition with cultivated plants. So right there, children, daisy. Look at this flower, children. It is hibiscus. Hibiscus, it's a tropical plant or bush with large, brightly colored flowers. The red and white varieties of these flowers are used in hair care products. So children, right there, hibiscus. This flower has 5 overlapping petals with distinctive face-like markings. Do you know, children, which flower is this? This is pansy. Pansies are one of the earliest flowering plants blooming right alongside your spring bulbs. It is easy to recognize these flowers because it is different from other flowers. Now the next one. This fragrant night blooming flower is known as Rajnigandha in India. Do you know, children, which flower is this? It's the tuberose. So right there, tuberose. It is widely grown as an ornamental plant. It smells like an explosive bouquet of white flowers. Fifth one. These flowers with numerous petals are mainly cultivated for flower shows. Which flower is this? It is dahlia. They are colorful flowers that bloom from midsummer through autumn when many plants are past their best. Dahlia was declared the national flower of Mexico in 1963. Sixth one. These flowers with innumerable hybrid varieties can survive in almost any habitat. Which flower is this, children? It is orchid. They are graceful flowering plants. They not only absorb carbon dioxide but they release oxygen at night. Seventh one. This cup-shaped flower blooms in spring. It is tulip. Tulips are one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring. They are used to make wine. The Netherlands are the largest producer and exporter of tulips worldwide. Now we will move on to the second chapter, Birds of Prey. Do you know what is a raptor, children? Raptors are birds of prey. They are large birds that hunt and eat other animals. They have powerful hooked beaks for tearing flesh. They have keen eyesight for detecting food from a distance or from a height while flying. They have strong feet with talons for grasping or killing prey. Raptors eat insects, fish, rodents, snakes, frogs, birds, and even small mammals. Raptors include species such as eagles, hawks, kites, falcons, vultures, and owls. Eagles are large birds with broad wings. The average wingspan of an eagle can vary from 1.8 to 2 meters. Bald eagle. This is the picture of a bald eagle. They build the largest tree nest. It appears bald because of the white feathers on its head. It's the national bird of US and it's also the national animal of US. Now this is the picture of Steller's sea eagle. This is the heaviest eagle. It weighs 5 to 9 kilogram. It has dark brown feathers with white wings and tail. Its beak and talons are yellow in color. Do you know, children, what is a talon? A bird's talons are the sharp hooked claws at the end of the toes. Next we have the picture of Philippine eagle. It is a national bird of Philippines. It is considered the largest eagle in terms of length and wingspan. This is the picture of a kite. Kites have long wings and weak legs. They eat rotten meat, insects, rodents and reptiles. This is the picture of a red-brown Brahmini kite. The red-brown Brahmini kite found in India eats fish and garbage. This is the picture of a hawk. Hawks are diurnal raptors, which means that they are active by day. There are more than 200 varieties of hawks in the world. They have excellent hearing and eyesight. Some species of hawks can migrate over thousands of kilometers each year. This is the picture of a falcon. Falcons have large head, powerful short and notched beak and distinct stripes below their eyes. They are powerful flyers and divers. The peregrine falcon is the fastest flying bird in the world. It can reach speeds of over 300 km per hour during its dive. So which is the fastest flying bird in the world? It is peregrine falcon. Now which is this picture, children? It is the picture of an owl. Owls typically have large round heads with front facing eyes. They can rotate their heads by about 270 degrees. There are around 200 different owl species. The owl is a nocturnal bird, meaning it is active at night. The barn owl is the most widely distributed species of owls found in most parts of the world. This is the picture of vulture. They are large birds with a long wingspan. Some vultures have weak feet. They cannot hunt food. They mainly eat rotten meat of dead animals. The Andean condor is a large black vulture with a maximum wingspan of 3.3 meters. It is the largest flying bird of prey in the world. It is the national symbol of many South American countries such as Argentina, Chile and Peru. All of you please read the text 3 times. Now we will do the exercise. Write T for true and F for false. The first one, raptors are the only birds that eat meat. Answer, false, F. The second question, owls can catch prey even if they cannot see it. Answer is true. Male birds of prey are usually larger than the females of the species. Answer is false. The rare California condor is one of the world's longest living bird. The answer is true. The osprey is a raptor that eats only fish. True. The vulture hunts at night. The answer is false. Now question number 7. Storks and herons which eat fish are birds of prey. The answer is false. Raptors are found on all the continents except Antarctica. The answer is true. Owls have extremely sensitive hearing but no sense of smell. The answer is true. Last question. All birds of prey have dense heavy bones. The answer is false. Hope all of you have completed the exercise. Now it's the quiz time. First we will discuss the answers of last week's quiz questions. Please correct your answers. Now we will move on to today's quiz questions. First one, which country shares the shortest border with India? Second one, when do we celebrate World Elephant Day? Third one, who is the current president of India? Fourth one, which city is known as Blue City of India? Fifth one, sixth BRICS Environment Meeting was held when and where? Children, be ready with the answers in the next class. Thank you, children.